Okay, so the moment you open the RinseKit Pro, you have here a button to activate it. And this is work on battery. You have here a screen that shows you the voltage, DC, how much battery you got left, and here you have where you charge the product. Now the product comes with two chargers. One is with a adapter to the house, and the second one is adapter to the car, so you can charge it in the car and you can charge it in the house. The RinseKit Pro, let's turn it on really quick. The hose coming with a couple of features. You have shower feature, you have mist, it's just like rainwater, you have center, you have flat, you have jet. I usually use jet for cleaning my dishes. One of the features that I like the most, for example, you have water inside that got stuck in here in the system. So if you have water stuck inside, you have this hole, you close it, then you can just tilt it and spill the water. One of the features that I like, because then you don't have water stuck there. The part about me rinsing the water from this hole is just me being creative. This hole is designed to hold the hose in place when you close the cap. Now what we're gonna do today, we're gonna shower Lola. It's about time. You didn't shower for a while, so all right, you ready? Let's do it. So I used it a couple of times already. I charged it only once. I used it at least 3 times. I think this is the 3rd time actually for using it, but not charging it yet. So it's 3 times been used, didn't charge yet. So, and I still have battery. So here, let's go. Good girl. Let's bring the soap before she's running away. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come on. So what's nice about it, you have 3.5 gallons. I got it for $175 furnished in the website. In the website they sell it for $300, but if you look for a furnished, it's just somebody that returned it or didn't use it or have like some damage outside. So I don't care about this stuff. I saved almost 50%. Here, stay here, Lola. Let's wash it really quick. She's clean and happy. So we here back in the bus. We still checking out this bad boy. As you can see, I have a lot of dishes here. I'm going to use the jet feature to cover some of this nasty thing that I should have cleaned after I used it, but I didn't. This is a must-have. I use it to a lot of things, like sometimes even when I ran out of the water in the sink, I use it here to wash my dishes right now. So it's 3.5 gallons. We washed Lola and now we're gonna do dishes. Right, it's about time. Let's do it. So I finished the dishes and I think I got left like maybe half a gallon. It's called RinseKit for a reason. You can rinse anything that come into your mind. This is a must-have in your toolbox. There is also cheaper options in Amazon without the box himself, just the mechanical, just the hose, the head, and you can have a bucket. It's like around $50. So if you're on a budget, but in overall, I give it 10 out of 10. I'm pretty satisfied with that. So again, if you want to buy it, don't buy it from Amazon. You have a disclaimer in the website. If you buy it from Amazon, it's not authorized dealer. So you're not covered by the warranty. That's it. It's a pretty straightforward review. So don't forget to like and subscribe for more cool tips, gear reviews, and life on the road. Until next time, see ya!